Do you know how to check the accreditation of an inspection agency? In simple words, accreditation is a kind of license to work as an inspection agency. There can be three types of inspection agencies: Type A inspection body, Type B inspection body, Type C inspection body. Inspection bodies falling in Type A are independent and impartial third parties. Type B inspection bodies are separate part of an organization and perform inspections for their parent organization or organizations belonging to the same group of companies. Type C inspection body can provide inspection services to its parent organization or to other parties or to both. All types of inspection agencies need to be ISO 17020 accredited. The apex body in the accreditation system of an inspection body is ILAC. You can visit www.ilac.org for more details about ILAC. An accreditation board needs to be recognized by ILAC. ILAC maintains a list of all recognized accreditation boards on its website. An inspection agency needs to take accreditation from one of these accreditation boards. Here you need to verify that the name of an inspection agency should be listed on the website of the accreditation board as an accredited inspection body, and the name of the accreditation board should be listed on the website of ILAC as a recognized accreditation board. To understand it better, we take an example of an inspection agency, CDG. CDG is accredited by an accreditation board named ANAB. ANAB is a world-leading accreditation board based in the USA. The official website of ANAB is www.anab.org. You can visit this website and check CDG's name listed as an accredited inspection agency. Now go to ILAC website, www.ilac.org. Here you can check the name of ANAB listed as a recognized accreditation board for inspection agencies. It means CDG has a valid accreditation to work as an inspection agency. Before selecting any inspection agency, please check the accreditation in the same way as described in this video. Please do not forget to check the accreditation scope of an inspection agency. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.